Passion and innovation. These are two words that come to my mind when I think about SEMA and SEMA members. People in this business are certainly passionate. It's almost like it's in their blood. They can't get it out. In addition to that, we know the most successful people in the automotive aftermarket business are innovators. They've been able to overcome, adapt, do those things that really require to be successful. And man, we could not use that skill of innovation more than right now. We are in the middle of a global pandemic. I mean, it's unprecedented in what's going on. Hi, my name is Bob Coakley, and I'm with a company called Upgrade Performance. I've got the opportunity to facilitate a SEMA webinar called Building Customer Confidence. It's part of this webinar series, Shifting Gears Back to Business. And in this webinar, what we're going to do is share best practices on what some of your fellow members are doing in order to build confidence in the middle of this kind of chaotic time. We're going to review things that can help build confidence with your team members, so they're motivated to come to work. They're motivated to make the changes that they need to do and how they do business, so they can feel good, confident, and comfortable about doing what they do. We're also going to share some ideas on how you can build confidence with your customers. Let them know it's okay to spend their money right now, that it's okay to do that work on their vehicles, to make those upgrades, and just be confident in doing that, and that it can be done safely. And we're not going to forget, we're doing a lot of this because we have a sales engine. In order for us to survive, for our employees and customers to survive, we've got to make sure our sales engine is running on all cylinders. And it's possible over the last 6 months with this COVID thing, it's maybe been sputtering a little bit. So we're going to work on some ideas on how we can finely tune that so we can go into the remainder of 2020 and do everything we possibly can to make sure we finish out strong and we're successful. Now, last thing, I like to have some fun. So be ready to have some fun on this thing, and get ready to write down some ideas, and we're going to do our very best to make this a great time, but really worth your time. So what do you say? Should I see you there?